Ya, bismillah. Oh, yuk. Woi.
Sakit tuh, rain so big.
Keren.
Let's leave the past behind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to the beach and the waterfall with Ilham. You guys should follow me. So guys, we contacted someone on Instagram. They are from exploring group. I could not find the transportation, you know, to the beach and to the waterfall. And they said, we can help you. So they sent some of their members to pick us up. So let's go. Kasep.
Asep. Mantap.
Mantap. Guys, we are going to the... Where are we going?
To the waterfall then.
First. Okay, we are going to the waterfall first. What's the name of the waterfall?
I don't know.
Nugu. We are going to Curug Ngebul or something. Anyways, we will see you guys there. Singing, bro.
Aduh. Bad voice.
Bad voice.
Song
Bubui Bulan.
Bubui bulan.
Dia bisa.
Oh bisa.
You can show them.
Oh, really? No. Okay.
Sing it.
Bubui Bulan.
Bubui bulan sangra bentang.
Panon poe. Di sasate, right?
Yeah.
Applause.
Applause. Guys, we came to a market to buy some snacks. I don't know. I'm so thirsty, so I will get water. Do I look like a monkey with this mask? I think I do. Chocolate. I want chocolate. I didn't eat for so long. You're so slow. They are waiting, you know.
Okay. I don't know where's the chocolate. Why don't you need chocolate?
Ah, no need. Okay, it's fine. Just walk here. Yeah, thank you very much. She's being mad for no reason. Here, chocolate, Pocky. Can I get gold bears? Why are you so mean to me? She's so mean to me. I will end this marketplace here. Guys, it was such a long ride. I'm so tired. I think I also slept, right? Did I sleep? Did I sleep? But we arrived.
Oh, it's so nice.
Rida's gone crazy because she never saw a beach before. Good morning.
The beach is so nice.
I know. So the drivers didn't sleep all day because of, I cannot believe it, but they did it. I'm so happy. We are going to waterfall, right?
No, hey, what do you mean?
What are you talking?
I wanna see the beach.
We will go later.
Ah.
Yeah. You know, the beach is not disappearing.
I wanna.
We will see it later, okay?
No, not okay. No.
Yes. Guys, we arrived. Apa kabar? Panas. Harita. Let's go. Yeah, let's run. Yee. Guys, I ate sambal and she's making fun of me taking pictures and he's laughing at me. Sorry guys for closing my eyes like this, but I will show you around. I'll put some pictures up in the screen that I took here. I hope you guys also visit and take nice pictures. Deg-degan.
Deg-degan.
Tak pernah terbayang akan jadi seperti ini pada akhirnya. Semua waktu yang pernah kita lewati bersamanya tak hilang dan sirna. Hitam putih berlalu, janji kita menunggu, tapi kita tak mampu. Guys, we arrived at the well. Where did you arrive, channel?
Hah?
Where did you arrive?
Pantai Cemara.
Pantai Cemara.
Hello,
Hello.
welcome to beach Cemara.
Your Instagram?
FSLAKB.
He wants girlfriend. Oh no, you have girlfriend, right?
No.
Okay. Guys, we arrived at beach.
Give me your phone.
Why?
I want
Here. Rita has no own phone, you know. She always asks me. Hello.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find.
Oke, halo guys, jangan lupa subscribe, comment, and like channel Toyib. Toyib.
You better subscribe. Dangdut bro. Wait.
Nyanyi di pinggir jalan,
Kir jalan.
suka joget di pinggir jalan.
Gir jalan. Bro, where are we going? Where do we go?
Curug waterfall Luhur.
Why do we bring that, Jana? We don't need the bag.
We need food. We need food.
Heavy?
Buat apa itu dah?
See, we should have
He
left
said
him.
no.
He said yes.
He said no. It's heavy for you.
What do you mean?
Indo people are
Strong.
strong.
Don't talk. Look at him running.
Bisa jalan dia.
I know you are scared.
Jana, I'm falling. Ah! Okay, wait. My shoes are slippery. Look, my shoes are not made for hiking. I'm almost dying. Bismillah. I hope nothing happens to me. Wait. Whoa, I hear a meh. Meh. They are communicating with me. Whoa, we are going into the... It's my first time going into a water forest and I feel so hyped. Also, I can breathe normally here. No pollution, nothing. They are leaving me behind. Why are they leaving me? Yeah, oh, oi. I feel like Indiana Jones.
Bagaimana perasaan mo?
Bagaimana perasaan?
Lah, capek.
Huh?
Capek.
Capek? Tired.
It seems like it will rain so big.
Cringe. Is this the waterfall or am I blind? Or are we going even higher? I don't know. Let's go. Guys, look. I think we are almost there. Let's go. I feel so pumped because I have been inside this whole Indonesia journey. I just went out sometimes. But because of the lockdown, I could not do much. But guys, it's raining. It's raining too much, so we are not going further. But I like this view here. Sorry because I could not show you the waterfall and I cannot see it myself either, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye. Guys, look at me.
Hey, mister.
Yes.
How many times did you fall?
Once.
No,
Twice.
twice.
Five.
Nice. I never fall.